y'all may or may not have heard at this point that I blew up my straight six. I was kind of sad about it. I'm in this new Mustang and I'm messing up stuff. Okay, so I was kind of bummed out about it, and I was looking at V8s, considering V8s, doing the V8 swap. But with the V8 swap, it's a transmission. I gotta do the transmission. I gotta get a new carburetor. Right, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've been saving for a new engine. I didn't know, the capacity or the specs of what I wanted, but I knew that it may come. There may be a time where I need to do it. Now I'm looking at these numbers and I'm like, damn, man, this is crazy. And it's like, it's so many options. There's so many different options and combinations to do. And it's really giving me a bit of anxiety. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. One of my boys on Instagram just let me know that he did the swap, and his inline six is still with the mechanic who did it, and it was running in good shape. So I don't know, I'm considering that too, because I do enjoy putting $40 in the tank and driving halfway to SAC, and only spending $20. Like, stuff like that is valuable, and I really like to hit the road. So I don't know, man. I'm definitely thinking.
Blue eyes car. This one's still on.